Man, it is amazing outside right now. Not too cold, feels pretty good. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for taking some time out today to check it out. So we're back. We're going to do another mod, as you can tell in the thumbnail. So this time I actually got something I'm going to be doing to the car in the next couple of days. So before I do that, I need to change out something on my car. I have these side markers, this side marker tint here. They are kind of peeling up a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these off and I'm going to replace it with some Luxe tinting, which I have here. I went with the darks, the darkest one they had. Like I say, make sure you always check out for Black Friday sales clutch. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go around. I'm gonna take all 4 of my corner ones off, get it cleaned up, and we're gonna install these. Hope you like it. Let's get into it. As always, while we're doing these mods, you gotta put the stickers under the hood for horsepower. So we got jegs, you know, if you know, you know. Tail of the Dragon, that is fun. If you are in the southeastern part of the United States, make sure you stop here. This is a fun drive. I'm telling you, do it. Of course, Luxe tinting. This is what we're about to install now. Instagram here, check it out if you're not already doing it. We also have the Merrick intake ring. I got one red one, which you've probably seen a lot of my pictures on Instagram, and of course, YouTube. Check it out and support. So let's start installing some mods. Well, no, let's look at engine bay. Boom, leg maker. We got that. Hopefully it looks clean on here. Petty strut tower bar. 3G Customs half covers there. Look, looks clean on camera. So hope so. Okay, now let's go install some mods. And we have it removed finally. It wasn't too bad to take off, but like it may be an easier way to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and get the other 3 off. I won't show you that part because it's pretty much going to be me doing the same things I did with this one. So just hang tight. Next time I'm come back, my next step will be getting it cleaned off and all of that to apply the new tint on here. So stay tuned. So we got all the side markers, the old side marker stuff off, and the crazy thing is the first one that I recorded for you guys was actually the easiest one to get off. So now that we're straight, check out the tail lights on that thing. So check out, oh, it's reflecting. Oh, that looks crazy. Check out my last video on this install, super easy. So yeah, so tail light overlay stuff is off. I gotta clean it off. It's the next step. And we are good to go. So let's get this cleaned up. Luckily, let's walk back over here to the other side. They did provide some. Some cleaning solution here. Alright, there's some prep spray and a towel. So we're gonna get it cleaned up. So let's get that taken care of. All right, so we got all the side markers and everything cleaned up. So about to apply the tint. So one thing, as you can see, I have 5 overlays, and you're wondering, why do I have 5 overlays? So one thing they do, they give me, each of these are labeled, so you know where they're supposed to go. And then you can see right here, I have 2 driver fronts, so I can practice, make sure I do it right. So I got 2 of those, so they gave me oopsie daisy one and a real one. So hopefully I can get it right first time and don't have to use the extra one. So let's go ahead and get that taken care of, and hopefully we get it right the first time. Alright, so you see we got the first one on. Only thing I didn't do a wet application on it. I just did a dry application. I eyeballed where it needed to go and just laid it down and just smoothed it out as I put it down. I hit it with the heat gun around the edges to make sure all the edges kind of curve back and kind of fit form to the light, and that is how it turned out. And that is the test one that they provided. So I will have extra one laying over after the end, unless I do something crazy with one of the other ones, which I hope I don't. But so far so good, looks good. So yeah, so let's get to the rest of it. And that will bring us to the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment on this video. Let me know what you think of the mods that I did. Here's a take a look. Here's some other mods that I've done to the car. You can tell, as you see, side markers are done. And some of y'all may be thinking that, oh, you did that other video the same day you did this video. Well, no, you can't prove it. That's fake. that didn't happen. But anyway, like I said, thank you for checking out the channel. Subscribe. We are at 160 subscribers right now. It would be great if I could hit 200 before the new year, so help me out. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and thank you for checking this out. We're out of here. Have a great holiday.